Hey, good morning. It's John with GreenKey. We are on site for our first installation of the day. And today we have a forward connected charger that we're installing at a home. And the home's electrical system capacity can't handle it at 48 amps. So we're going to be installing it at 32 amps, which means we need a 40 amp circuit. So I'm going to show y'all what we've got here. Here's my brother Chase.
Good morning. How's everybody doing?
All right, so right inside here we've got the home's electrical panel. You can see where we marked the wall. We're going to put an access in right there. We're going to be going out, coming out into a conduit body, running our conduit right along the top here, and then down and into the garage. We'll be coming through the garage wall right about there, over the door, and the charger is going to be mounted right here. So we will go ahead and get started on this, and after we're done, we'll show you what it looks like.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a couple things we are installing today, which I know John already went over with you at the beginning, but the Ford connected power station. The resident here only has the capacity for us to add a 40 amp circuit, so that's going to require just a little additional work with the charger. There is a dip switch setting to where you can go basically from 15 amps all the way up to 60 amps, and I'll show you here just to give you an idea what that kind of looks like. So we've got 6 dip switches on here. You can see the one I've circled is for 32 amps. And it just basically steps you through how to set everything, but these tiny little guys right in here are the ones that I made the adjustments for, so his vehicle will be charging at 32 amps. And I'll go ahead and set the tripod up, show you how we wire in the charging cord for this charger, and then where our power supply comes in as well.
All right, we're all done with our install. We'll show you what we've got. So again, our panel's on the other side of this wall. We're coming out of the panel with our conduit. We ran number 6 wire for this job, but it is just a 32 amp charger. We go ahead and run number 6 for all our work. That way it's future proofed. And I got locked out. Walk around real quick. So here's where our conduit picks back up in the garage, runs across and over to our forward connected charger, which we set up at 32 amps. Looks very clean. That's about it for this job, I think. We'll see y'all next time. Have a great one.